Hey YouTube, Driven Diesel Media here. It's been 2 years since we started YouTube. I just went through and watched all of our content in the last 2 years, all 48, 49 videos, and had a lot of fun doing that. It was fun seeing all the memories that I've had with my best friend Jake. Here I am. I'm going to show him this video that I just made. But I went through and took out clips, some of my favorite clips, and some of my favorite edits that I've made. And here it is. You guys are gonna watch it. You're gonna see Jake's reaction, and then we're just gonna kind of talk about the last 2 years, you know. And we got for announcement, got a new logo right here. Yeah, there we go. New logo. It looks clean. My brother did that. He did super good. So we got some new logos and some new stuff coming. Things are popping off, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you. Enjoy this montage. And we're going to have some fun talking about it. All right, I'm going to show Jake the video. Let's pull this up.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, giving you a live reaction.
Live reaction.
Let me... All right, here's the video.
That's really where it all started, honestly. Stock power Cummins, baby. The amount of smoke. Oh my gosh, dude.
Just wait.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Braden trying to get his 1 rep max of 2 tires.
I think something blew.
I was so sketched out right there.
You've seen this one.
Yeah.
This is last week's video.
It looks so good with the YouTube resolution. Instagram does not do it justice. Yeah, that was so It's such a clean truck.
Where are we going?
Let's go to the dirt track. Let's go to the races.
Let's go to the races.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had all this. Yeah, it might be a problem. Whatever.
That was a giant.
I liked how speechless we get right here.
Yeah, that thing is moving, you can tell.
Yeah. I just remember it throwing us back in the seat.
That compound setup was super nice. You see, ruining my swing
Or just your swings and
My
jacks.
scar's fresh in that video.
Yeah. This is like a couple months removed.
Oh, yeah, the jack.
Tell me, how did this building be so successful?
I'm just proud I can hit the ball.
Oh, flame!
Go back here. Okay. What'd you think of the video?
It was really good. It was really good.
Oh,
I'm
we-
excited for our next 2 years. Honestly, that's what it
yeah.
kind of...
That was it was a lot of fun stuff. Which one was your favorite video of that we've made? I'm gonna pull this up right here. They can't see this on the thing, but you can scrolling through. We have 49 videos by the time of this one is. Which one was your favorite? What is your favorite memory from the video?
Favorite memory?
Yeah, I'm just scrolling through here to.
Probably a couple of the videos just popping off. Super happy with the Power Stroke project videos. That was just kind of more that was really where it kind of started at. And then I really like the Cummins owner shit that Cummins owners say. Like
Yeah.
that's just kind
It's
of
such an underrated video. Like I'm
Yeah.
looking at this. This has 207 views. I felt like that should have been way higher. I feel like if we reposted it now, I'm gonna link it in this video. Go watch it, guys. Such a good video.
It is a good video. It really describes Cummins owners pretty much to the T. I think the flow chart is going to be huge for us, and I think that just diagnosing stuff it's just really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Like our diagnostic videos, like we talked about, are just done well, and the IPR video and just certain videos just really doing well. The preventing theft was a really good one. I knew when you had that idea, I was like, oh crap, that's a good freaking video.
Yeah.
Look how many likes it has.
Oh, I know. It's doing good. The most fun video that I love to film was our home workout video.
That was fun.
That was just purely just fun. I'm gonna link that one too. But that was just so much fun to film. The Utah trip was a lot of fun too.
Yep.
I mean, that one part where you're just climbing across,
So sketchy.
that was so sketchy. That was so fun. And then we just saw tons of cool stuff at Diesel Power. Those were my favorite videos to film. But there's a lot of good stuff. Check out our playlists. We have a bunch of videos where we review mods. We have the diagnosing videos, a couple fishing tournament videos. We got some funny comedy videos. We got more of those coming in the works. But
I'm just super excited for like these first 2 years have really been building. Oh, dude, passing emissions. Actually, I really like that video. I really do. It was hilarious. We knew we were gonna fail from get go.
Oh,
but,
I know.
It just makes me more excited for the next 2 years. Honestly.
Oh yeah,
This
it was fun going through and watching how these videos grew and how much better they are now than they were back then.
What is what I wish I knew? How is that video done so far? Because it was like pretty early on, right?
Yeah, it's gotten 329 views. It's got 3 views in the last 48 hours at this time.
Yeah, interesting.
And that was one of our first videos.
Yeah. It's so crazy to see kind of where you came.
Yeah, it is definitely, and like seeing the quality of videos, seeing what we put in there.
Yeah.
It's getting a lot better. Condensing things a little bit. Like this video is done pretty well. For our first MPG video.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, a lot of people were interested in that.
It's done well, but you know how we've taken this. We had the 17 minutes of content in there that sometimes could get kind of boring and redundant or whatever, and then we did this one and made it, cut out 10 minutes of it, and it's done pretty good so far. And just making everything, like even the video quality. Let's go watch one of these first videos.
Oh,
like image quality, I mean, look at that.
Yeah.
At just like different points. And then
we're obviously trying to improve our channel for for our viewers.
Oh yeah, and then
it's obvious.
You look at this video and then look at
the difference.
Yeah, this is the last video last week. Just look at the image difference.
Yeah, I can see everything. Yeah.
Yep.
Completely different.
Like look at that, and it's only gonna get better.
Look at that. That's so nice.
Yeah, that's clean right there. Only gonna get better. The fishing tournament videos are always fun. This one just had such raw reactions the whole time.
Yeah.
That it was like, wow, that was a lot of fun to film. But what else? Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff out there. This is our worst video by.
There's videos I would think would do so much better.
Like this, the diagnostic setup.
I would have thought the diagnostic setup would do so well. So many people ask us about that diagnostic setup. So many.
So we made a video about it, and it had 62 views.
Yeah.
But hey,
sometimes YouTube just gives us something that we don't really expect. But
yeah,
I mean, the IPR video, who would have expected that would go like it did? So
right.
We're just paying attention to what you guys want and trying to adapt to it. We're just new creators adapting.
Yep, we're learning. We have 2 years of data at this point of what you guys like.
We know
what we do well at.
We know what you guys want now.
Yeah, so comment your favorite video. Like and subscribe this one. This is our kind of 2-year review. Everything we've done. And give you a bunch of clips of things that we liked from this past year.
We come very far. I mean, now that we're just kind of more...
I mean, look at this. We got a logo in the corner.
Yeah. We're just starting to get more professional with creating a business and doing everything kind of the right way. So
yeah, a lot of good stuff. Thank you guys for everyone that watches, everyone that's subscribed. This is us at our 2-year mark. Next 2 years are going to be even better.
They're going to be great.
All right. Thank you.